Hi, this is the full conceal perspective, where we want to give a different perspective on why this M3D pistol may be the safest pistol on the market compared to a traditional semi-automatic pistol. So the safety has been redesigned, and it's very different in that the first thing about it is that it does preserve all the Glock safety. So the three safe action safeties are still there. The trigger safety blade is just different on the M3D. It's different because of the fold. You can't have the safety be on the trigger itself, so we've moved it to the side here. So there's a little blade safety that is going to be on this side here where it depresses in as you press the trigger. What's unique about it is that when you depress this trigger, unfold it, it will fire the weapon. But if you try to depress it when it's partially folded even, it won't go. It has to be it requires two directions of force. You literally have to press that blade in one way and a perpendicular force to come in the other way. So when it's partially unfolded here, having the trigger, unfold in a purse or in your pocket, even this much, pulling this, you're not going to fire the weapon. When it's fully folded, it will also prevent this whole housing from moving the trigger bar, right? So you even if you didn't have this blade safety there, this would be a secondary mechanical safety that prevents it from firing. So the mechanism itself is safe, but also the whole visual and physical safety of it. So having this, looking at it, even if this were chambered, you would be 100% safe. It's similar to the analogy of a folding tactical knife. You can readily identify whether or not the weapon is dangerous or not, just in terms of a handling state. Just seeing it folded or even partially unfolded, you know that you can't get at it. But as long as it's folded, doesn't matter where that barrel's pointed, this is completely safe. So no other weapon system has that large visual safety. I mean, if you had just a normal Glock, let's say Glock 19, and let's say this was loaded, putting it right here, putting it down, you have to abide all the rules. You have to make sure you get your finger off the trigger and stuff. In our system, there is no trigger to press. Also, in a holster, let's say it's in a purse or something, or you put it in your pocket, as you're pulling this out, you got to make sure you don't accidentally draw out of the holster and get your finger in that trigger group. So that's an advantage of the full conceal system, is that even if you're taking this out of your pocket or a purse, is you take it out, you can feel it. You can't accidentally discharge it, and then you get that feel from it. Once you have your hand on the grip, you know exactly what to do. And as you unfold it, this barrel's just from a natural intuitive method, this barrel is going to be pointing away from you as you unfold that pistol into your firing position.